What is going on, guys? Another incredible YouTube video today, a full-on product audit, walking you guys through exactly how we find our products and how we generate consistency with them as well, and how do we determine to actually sell certain items and how we determine to not sell certain items. There's criterias and things you must know. You have to systemize this process before you actually go ahead and spend money. That's how you actually generate consistency. Leave a like in the video as well, comment down below, and make sure to hit that notification bell to make sure you get notified when I upload next as well. And I'll see you at the end of the video. Make sure you watch the whole thing, guys.
This product is a good item. Okay, it definitely fits the bill of what we want to sell during the holiday season. Okay, it's different, it's unique, and damn, it flies, which is pretty cool. Okay, and obviously it's a cool gift, and that's a massive differentiator. Flying is a great market. My only thing here, okay, is the price point. Okay, because look, it has great reviews, good amount of orders, it flies, it's different, and it can be controlled. It's great for showcasing in videos. I'm very sure if moms saw this on an ad, they would like to purchase it. Okay, I just think it's something that's unique, and I haven't seen too many things alike. Okay, like this, and I've seen things like it, but not like this during this time trending now. Okay, this is something that's very good. Okay, but the price point's way too high. We won't be able to sell it at this price point. Okay, which means we have to sell it for like $60 minimum, and we're still not eating extremely well. Hit up some other suppliers, see if we can source this thing for cheaper. Okay, if you can source this for cheaper, I would love it. I don't want you to spend time and waste a bunch of time messaging people for hours. I want you to have, one message that you write up, copy, paste it to 30 to a few different people.
How much cheaper though? How much cheaper? Like
I'm thinking like we're like a $20 cost, $25 cost is where I would like to be.
25.
Yeah, maybe $10 or so more inexpensive, just because I like it. And we can see obviously all the differentiators and why it would work and the orders, etc. Knowing things that fly do well. The pricing is too much though.
The fact that it says Fly Nova Pro, is there an issue? Or
wait, say that again.
Not really. It says it's like branded there, Fly Nova Pro. Is that okay if it's branded as Fly Nova Pro?
Yeah,
Can I still sell it?
Right, as long as it's not a real brand. So a lot of the time, AliExpress suppliers, Lucy, will put like their own kind of white labeled brand in there that's not a legitimate brand with a patent and incorporated, etc. Okay, so it's important to realize that when the marketing or branding is there, as long as it's not a real brand, you're good to go. So go on Google, do some homework. If there's not a real site, etc., it's just an AliExpress logo, that's fine. You can still sell.
All right. Okay.
What I'm noticing here, as well as a few things. So it looks like actually our wand makes it cost $38. And when it comes with just the actual ball, that's probably operated by a motion sensor that senses your length of going like that, it's cheaper, which could be a big point. So that actually opens a few doors for us. If we could get this down to like 25, we might be able to play ball here. Okay. And this down even further as well. So Lucy, if we could just do some homework on the costs of like the wand itself and ultimately like how much we could get this down alone and this with the wand, that would be great. Because I want you to put this on your sheet. We're going to put it in green, and we want to market it, but put a little, a little asterisk next to it saying we want to go ahead and find out a bit more about the pricing here.
Sure.
Okay. So this, first and foremost, let's talk about what we like about it. Okay. So what I like about this product, okay, is the fact that it's a bundle. Okay, the fact that it's a bundle, and it also isn't too overly expensive. $40 for a beard kit, okay, isn't bad. Okay, isn't bad. Okay, but then you look at Dollar Shave Club and you ask yourself, okay. So that's one thing. Dollar Shave Club is clearly the number one in the industry here for kind of subscription and kits. And almost everyone who's going to buy something like this probably knows about them for the most part. So that's one thing to consider is the pricing, even though it is reasonable. Dollar Shave Club's a bit less expensive. Okay. With that being said, we have great reviews here, over 3,000 orders, 84 reviews, really good numbers here. Okay. Overall, but keep in mind this as well. Okay. Bundle, which increases perceived value, which is good. It is men dominated. Okay. Keep that in mind as well. And I don't see too much differentiation here. Okay, so I don't see too much differentiation here. Meaning you have to have a really big branded approach. Because see how this just says beard growth kit? It's not like too branded. It's not anything like, oh, this is Dean's beard growth kit from, beardgrowthkit.com. It's just very beard growth kit. It's what it says. It's general. So this could do well, and I'll tell you how, but it would be a much more expensive approach because you have to have a branded site. Everything would have to be about beards. You'd have to have a whole story about the mission of manly beards, right? It'd have to be very, very branded, so to speak, to do well with this out the gate. Does that mean this can't do well? No, it means it just needs extra money put into it, branded, and also more money spent on the ads to develop more of a sequence for remarketing to do well, which means I like the product. Okay, it meets the criteria. I think it does well. I like it. Okay, but I would not recommend marketing it if you don't want to spend a bit more money on this, because I think there's other items that you could spend the same amount of money on and do just as well, if not better with. I'm not saying it's not a good product. I'm saying it's a good product. I'm just saying it's going to be a bit more expensive to actually see consistency with, due to the branded capability that comes with using and marketing this product. Does that make sense, Nuno?
Yes, that was the notes that I have here go what you said, because I think it's a great product. There is a possibility to put your logo on it says Beard Grow Kits. There is a possibility to put your logo. So this is a generic thing, is not a real brand. And I had that problem noted here, that there are a lot of brands out there now with this kind of products, and it would be difficult to market this product and beat that brands.
Right, and you're 100% right, and I think that's great. The fact that you came up with that and knew that as well with this product before I even had to say that, Nuno, is awesome. That shows that your product mindset is definitely going in the right direction, and you've grown tons from where you were as well. And think about it like this product, okay, it has high perceived value, don't get me wrong, because it's a kit, but there's not really massive differentiation with the kit. It comes with the same thing all the other kits come with, which means the kit itself, the brand itself, has to be the differentiating factor. When that doesn't happen, it's not an option for us. So, that's why we want to go ahead and skip this, just because it would require too much effort and investment on our end to actually give it a fair shot. I love that it's mental activity. That's 100% correct, Mike. Okay, it's definitely educational. Okay, but what do you guys think? Okay, the educational market or the educational aspect of puzzles sells best too. Okay, let me know. Yeah, very good. Right, kids, very good. Okay, long as they also have a website themselves, right? So this needs some more research looked into on this. So like with this specific product, like if an item is branded like this and it is a AliExpress only product, let's take a look at this from. Okay, so what I'm looking for, ladies and gents. Okay, so this is a good thing to do with all of us on the call right now. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm saying, hey, there's a brand on it. Let's make sure it's not a legitimate brand, okay? Because some are saying it's not a brand, some are saying it is a brand. We have to do the research to make sure. Okay, so as we look in here, it looks kind of like AliExpress, which kind of leads me to the point saying, maybe, okay, that this website is the AliExpress supplier. Okay, and I log into here and it says drop shipping or affiliate program. Let's click here. They're promoting drop shipping, which means it might just be, okay, it might just be an item for them, okay, that they're placing to get more actual drop shipping units sent to them. Okay, now with that being said, for an item like this, I would reach out to them specifically, these people, look at all their websites, okay? Look at all their websites, get in contact with someone who works here, okay? And saying, hey, are you guys an AliExpress supplier, or are you guys a third-party, manufacturing company that is outside AliExpress? You have to find that out, okay? Because if it's brand, if that's really a brand, you have to go ahead and make sure that you are not infringing any patents, etc. So extra research is needed on this. But to my point, I think it's too expensive. Okay, I think just like you said, Maud, the educational market sells best in the kid market, not for the older hobby market. Older hobby market, they're not trying to get educated anymore. Okay, they're not trying to get educated anymore. Okay, they're simply trying to sell something high perceived value. It could be a nightlight, that's cool, but I don't see big actual demand for this. Okay, so with that being said, I wouldn't market this product, okay, because of those things I've just mentioned. And also, as you see here, Ben, drop it down below, looks like they are a legitimate brand, which means not only for those reasons as well, being too expensive, being that it's not educational for the younger people, it's also a brand, okay? Therefore, we don't want to go ahead and get any DMCAs, et cetera, et cetera. We want to move away from this product for definitely more than one reason on the specific item, ladies and gents. I do like it, okay? It's cool, you know, but I just don't think it would do very well with our scenario with testing and looking to get money out, okay, without dumping massive amount of money in before we see a return.
Ladies and gents, hopefully you enjoyed that incredible product audit walkthrough. Hopefully you definitely enjoyed it. Go back, pause the video, and research every single thing and every product that I'm mentioning here as well, so you can see the market movement and the trends as well for your own business and move it forward to continue learning, guys. So leave a like in the video as well. Hopefully you enjoyed. Comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.